Hey adjusters, this is Adam Gardner with Adjuster Pro, and today we're going to take a look at one of the top 10 reasons to become an adjuster, reason 10. Reason 10 is ease of entry, and I'll give a little context to that. To take a look at some other professions that pay six figures, did you know that the average medical school debt is $278,000 and doctors spend 8 years or more in college? Let's take a look at lawyers. Lawyers spend an average of 5 years after college before they actually see a six-figure income. I've got a buddy in Seattle who got out of law school a couple years ago. He's still searching around for a job that pays more than like $15 an hour. It takes a while to establish yourself. Insurance claims industry. Adjusters, it's one of the lesser known careers, and it's really cool career. There's a lot of earning potential, and it has a relative ease of entry. So let me explain it in a little more context. The basic prerequisites for getting into this business: state licensing, you got to get licensed in the proper state, and training in the software how to do claims. And that can be had for an average of $1,000. Moreover, the time it takes to get licensed and to get the software training is about a week. Now that's not to say there's not more training, more in-depth training available, but the basic prerequisites is basically a week of training and $1,000, which is a huge contrast to the years of college that you can spend trying to get into another profession. Moreover, it is a very equal opportunity industry, meaning that this is something that would be a good idea for old people, young people, white people, black people. There are jobs that are inside jobs. There are jobs that are out in the field. There's a great diversity, and basically the business is open to anybody who can actually come in and get a claim done. So it's very equal opportunity. Now, when I first found out about the industry, I thought it was too good to be true too. I'd been bitten before in a few different opportunities, thinking that it was going to be different than it was. I was pretty nervous about it, getting into the business personally. But what happened is I deployed on a storm with a company, an independent company, working as an independent adjuster, a catastrophe adjuster. And after I got ramped up, which took a month or two, it was an 8-month deployment, my first deployment. It turned out that my average pay per claim on that particular deployment ended up being about $409 per claim, and I worked myself up to being able to do 4 to 6 claims per day. Now this was a revolution in my life. It was huge. It changed everything, and it definitely cinched it for me that I wanted to be in this industry from that point forward. So, in summary, there is a minimal time investment to entry, comparatively low cost of entry, and in my opinion, and because I've been training you for years now and know a number of people in this industry, quite a few, it has a disproportionate earning potential. So that concludes top 10 reasons to become an adjuster, ease of entry, and that is reason number 10. Thank you.